co-presenters. This is Dr. B.V. Rao, Joint Director of Fisheries and Commissioner of Fisheries. Very glad to present the domestic marketing promotion by the initiative of the Government Department of Fisheries. Can I proceed, sir? Thank you. And actually, the Andhra Pradesh is the one of the major state producing the 42 lakh million tons of fish in a year last year, and the consumption is very low. In the keeping in a view of that, government is now planning to enhance the consumption in the domestically. 15 lakh metric tons is targeted, and as says that it will help to the farmers to getting the remunerative price and sustainable increase of consumption within the state will within the reachable price to the consumers. So through this project, what we are expecting is the proximity will be increased to the consumers, and consumption will be increased, and rationalization of the aqua product and fish farmer fishermen through better marketing and livelihood opportunity to the new entrepreneurs, and creating suitable infrastructure to reduce the post-harvest losses. These are the features of the project. Next. This project is evolved on a practical basis, and we follow the several procedures to develop the project modules. Actually, this main stakeholders consent we have taken and approval of the government, and several domain experts and key marketing professionals ideas to bring into the and we evolved the marketing strategy. Apart from that, we prepared the IT platform for covering entire operation of the domestic fish marketing. Training and SOPs also developed, and now the project is implementing in the state. As a part of this, the value chain issue, that the farmer can be helpful, and at the same time consumer also benefited to avoid the middle hands, and the Aqua Hub is take the role to supply the material to the retailers from live and fresh formats. Next. Actually, this is the model adopted for increase the consumption, accessibility, acceptability, and affordability and awareness. But depending on the need, we prepared 6 models of outlets to cater the need of the local area consumers. And the products also we identified in the form of live, fresh, and value addition, breaded products, and do-it-yourself products, and cooked products. That means every format of store we have given the provision of some cooking facility to serve the snacks and other foods from the fish related foods. The affordability point of view, the price will not be higher in the consumer side. Why? Because this is the sourcing from the farmers, and we avoid the middle players, and the whatever the amount will be realized, that will be shared to the farmers and the consumers also. And further, it needs much promotion of awareness. Because of that, the government take an initiative to ban promotion, the larger scale, both print media and social media, all category of stakeholders and other consumers to know about the fish food and how availability and the benefits of the fish food. This is the responsibility of the government to be taken, and now we are doing. Next. So this is the model we evolved, abundant spoke model for operationalization of this project, and this is the framework entire project model we are presenting here. Actually, Aqua Hub is the sourcing agency, and it was handled by the Aqua Farmer Society and group of entrepreneurs. The Aqua Farmers Aqua Hub will source the material from the marine, freshwater, and FMCG segment. And the players or suppliers are is aquafarm FFPOs and farmers and fishermen and repeated farms, those who are in making the FMCG products and processing plants for already processed material. So this material, the Aqua Hub will collect from the source daily, and depending on their demand, it will be supplied to the various variants of stores. Here I shown in from the launch, super, daily, mobile, and three-wheeler, street vending vehicle, and mini retail outlets. But here, why we are categorizing this is the launch is exclusively for dining and store, and super is also dining and store for, but the quantity, the quantum is less, and daily is the store for minimum extent we arrange, and mobile for the street vending, and especially the mini retail outlet. Now we are going to establish in every village for improving the accessibility to the fish in the rural area also, because it is a very nutritious food and to adapt to the rural areas also. To handle this project, we created one facilitation desk with the expert professionals to work out the strategies and time-to-time guidance and quality control and operationalization logistics. Apart from this, strategic support functionaries also is working on the brand management and customer relation management and IT system, HR for manpower development for the requirement of the stores and hub, and private labeling. Next. So these are the variants of spokes we defined for this project. This launch is the bigger area, and this is the dining facility, and storage also maintained. And this can be available in a brick and mortar and container model. In case free area is there, we'll develop the container and brick and mortar. All these formats will be handled by the entrepreneurs only. So the second model is the super. This the unit cost is fixed as a 20 lakh. And here also live fish, fresh fish, and shrimp, and other breaded products is available, and online orders also acceptable and served to the consumers. The third model is daily. It's the mini store. Mini store means it's it will be established in around 300 square feet area. Even shop or open area we're going to establish, and here also the consumer can access live fish, fresh fish, shrimp, and marinated and breaded products and cooked products. And 4 and 5 is the mobile vehicles. So mobile vehicle, four-wheeler, we are using for food court and food court and sale also. This is the amphibian model vehicle we designed. And the e-vehicle is exclusively using for street vending. So other thing is that mini retail outlet, which already explained, it's a plan for every village with a minimum unit cost of 2 lakh rupees with the standard equipment and materials. So all these components except mini retail outlets, we roped to the PMMSY scheme, extending subsidy up to 40 to 60% basing on the category of the beneficiaries. Next. Yeah, this is the integrated IT platform developed by the department for operationalize this project. The features of the platform, we will give the farmers app for procuring the material, procurement, fleet management, and quality control, inventory, sale, delivery, and accounts and reconciliation. All these things, the stores and hub and spoke store and hub can be handled through this platform, and sourcing the material. And other side, also B2B, B2C business and customer relation analysis and feedback analysis and improvement also can be done through this information, and online ordering also included in this platform. Actually, the farmer level will basically we have the protocol to test the material and it will bring to the hub. Again, hub will check the quality and prepare the inventory shop wise and deliver to the shop according to their indent. So this here we can classify the shops in three models. One is the walk-in stores. All stores available walk-in provision, but online order can be fulfilled by the large and super, and vending vehicles can be mobile food service and vending service will be done. All these things and only operationalized through this platform only. Next. So these are the assortment and acceptability, continuous availability of the aqua product based on their consumer preference. Because these are all not market. Generally, fish market is 1 hour, 2 hour business, but here these are all fish stores. So we attract the consumers and basing on the consumer needs, we'll give the various segments of fish formats in the live fish format and fresh fish and value-added cooked products and do-it-yourself products. So this range of products always available in the store, and depending on the request of the retail shop operator or owner, the hub will will fulfill the stock to the retail stores to continue supply to ensure any customer wanted to entering into the shop to get their choice of products. Handling of this shop and handling of this hub and spoke model, we have prepared dynamic SOPs to minimize the loss and maintain the quality products. So the Fishandra brand promotion will increase the trust by ensuring the quality products throughout the year in affordable price to the consumers, apart from the benefit to the farmers. Next. So this is the brand promotion, one segment. Government is strongly believing.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you. I request you to please conclude the presentation in
this
next
is
2
only
minutes.
last but one side. So brand is established and brand is a trademark registered as a Fishandra. So this awareness part we are rely on the AP Digital Corporation, the government corporation, to promote the brand to the social media as well as the print media, and we popularize the brand to the consumers as well as the farmers also. They will get the benefit through this system. Next. So these are the expected outcomes and operational experiences. This project will be totally operationalized by the January 2022. Now the shops are running and some of the shops are in established stage. But these are the outcomes we are expecting. What I already addressed the jury, that strong alternative market we are creating, and affordable price, the consumer can get a choice in chosen product, and per capita intake to be enhanced, and the target we are fixing is 15 lakh metric ton, that the 30% of the production can be utilized internally. And we are also promoting the FFPOs to support the activity and for the benefit of the farmers, and reduction of post-harvest losses up to 5% from this activity. And overall, the employment will be generated up to 8%, 80,000 people directly and indirectly. In this regard, what I am telling is the government is only facilitating role only, but all the operations was done by the entrepreneurs and societies. But the government responsibility to popularize the product and the benefit of the farmers, they have to we are doing, and at the same time we can give the good quality fish product to the public of the Andhra Pradesh to take a good protein products from the non-vegetarian segment. Thank you for giving this opportunity by the jury. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I am impressed because this is something which is required to be done if you have to popularize the use of fish in the state. So very good. Except one thing, that is more as a suggestion. I did not hear from you. Maybe you have said and I have missed it. Are you doing something like mobile shop for ready-made fish? No, they just cook it on the spot, and then in Punjab I have seen, or UP I have seen, they sell it near the wine shop. No, so there is a lot of demand, no, for such activity. So any thought on this? More so, if it is a fish or if it is a any other thing.
Sir, can I respond, sir? Sir, actually, what we are expecting is the popularization of the fish products, because in the non-vegetarian format, fish is one of the major good healthy product. Because of that only, sir, we are using the vehicle for both purpose. Morning, their vending facility is there, and evening they can serve the snacks and other fish foods also, sir. Within that vehicle, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Within that vehicle, we have given the provision of selling of the FMCG products also, sir.
Very good, very good. Because this is what is required, no?
Yes,
and
sir.
Then you can also cover neighboring states. There is no harm.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rao.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good. Thank you.